Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from Bitrue to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Bitrue and want to move it to Phantom for better security or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is quick, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with TRX in your wallet, and your Phantom wallet installed on your device with TRX support enabled. Phantom is primarily for Solana, but with multi-chain capabilities, it can handle TRX via bridges or direct transfers in 2025. Start by opening the Bitrue app or website and logging in securely with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your TRX balance and click on the withdrawal option. You'll see a form pop up. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the exact wallet address from your Phantom app. To get that address, open Phantom, select TRX if it's not default, and copy the address from the Receive section. Double-check it to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Next, input the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Remember to leave some for network fees, which are usually minimal for Tron. Bitrue might ask for a 2FA code or email verification, so have that ready. Review all the details one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, keep that handy for tracking. After submission, the withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives in Phantom, you can check your balance and celebrate. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable security features like hardware wallets for extra protection. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Bitrue to Phantom wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.